So I made the mistake of putting my hair up in a bun right after shower, so it's wet and all tangled up probably. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun new video for you. So today we're gonna try out not a very new thing. I've been seeing this all over the place for a long time. My Instagram, Facebook, anywhere I go on the internet basically, but it's been there for a while, like it doesn't go away. So I've finally gave in and I finally want to give it a try. It's heatless curl formers, and I am waving a wand over here. So it's these little things. They're heatless curls. I got 4 different ones. Well, I got 2 different sets. These are the longer ones and the shorter ones. I didn't realize how short these are going to be, so we're going to have to try to make these work somehow. So basically I have 36 of these, and I have very thick hair, so we're gonna have to try and make it work. So I'm sure most of you are already familiar with this and how it works, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who's made a video on this, but I wanted to try it for myself and I decided to make a video of it, because who knows how fun this is gonna turn out. So basically the way it works is you take your wand, you pull it through the curl former, just like that. You put your hair through the hook, and you just pull it through and it's gonna form your curl for you. So, and you pull the hair through and it stays there and it dries overnight or over whatever period of time you want it to dry over. So the cool thing about it is that it's heatless. You don't apply any heat with hair straightener, hair curlers, or a blow dryer. So I'm excited to try it out. I have heard mixed feelings on sleeping with these, is where they were very uncomfortable and they got tangled up, so I'm not looking forward to that, but I'll let you guys know how it turns out for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair down, try to brush it out. It's still wet. I got out of the shower about an hour ago, so it's still wet and damp, like my baby hairs are dry-ish. So let me brush this out and we'll get started. I'm excited. Hey. Maybe I shouldn't do this today. Maybe I should just leave it for another day. Why did I put my hair up? Alright. Try this. Okay, it took me a second to figure this out and to get used to doing this, but I did. So I put my hair up, I took a little piece, so I have a lot of hair and it's thick. So I decided to part my hair into 4 parts because I have 36 pieces, so I think I'm gonna do 9 pieces per each part, which I hope works, but we'll see. So I parted it up, and I'm taking a small piece on the bottom. So I've already learned to use smaller pieces. So I went around, all the way around. I have small baby hair here, so I just went with the little ones. So I'm gonna show you the front ones. So what you do, is it a green? Grab a blue. So what you do first, you grab your curler or curl former, you stick it through the wand or hook like so, then you grab a small piece of hair just about this size. I'm gonna make sure it's all straight. So I'm gonna grab my hook and I'm gonna hook it onto my hair and make sure nothing is sticking out. So you see all the hair is hooked on. Then I'm gonna slide my curl former down and then hold it with this finger, and I'm gonna try to pull the hook out with my hair. And I'm gonna go slow because my hair is still damp. I don't want to pull on it. And ta-da! So it's hooked on, and I am happy with this one because I'm leaving a little bit out. I don't want it to be too curly. So ta-da! We're gonna do another one. Keep forgetting to put these on first. So we're gonna put one on, grab a piece of hair, go with this piece. I figured that going up is easier for me for some reason. Don't know why. I am special that way. So we're gonna hold it up, we're gonna slide down the curl former, hold it, and pull. Actually not bad when you get the hang of it. And just straighten it out. And I'm gonna do a longer one for the front piece because it's longer than my back pieces. Ooh, it's actually really long. It's gonna be nice on my top layer. Trying to make sure that all my hair is in so I'm not pulling in any. Woo! We did it. Hey. It might be really annoying to sleep in these. We'll see. How do I look so far? Alright, it feels weird because I keep wanting to like hold my hair down. I'm gonna grab a piece and I'll try a blue one in the back. It's kind of short, but we'll see how it works. Ooh, ooh, these are damp. They're more wet. Okay, that one was tough. I am really curious to see what I'll look like with a full head of curl formers. This is awesome. We are moving along. This only took me about an hour, but we are almost done. And it makes me really happy. It's not hard to do, it just takes time. So it seems like, you could probably see in the camera, these pieces have almost completely dried up. So it's starting to get, oh hello. So it's starting to get tangled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit so it can actually curl overnight. Last one. I did it. Now I'm happy. I look crazy. And the fact that I don't have much makeup on is making it that much worse. But, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, that one hurt. Ugh. I look fabulous. And as you can see, there's a bunch of little ends sticking out kind of all over the place. And the reason for that is the curlers are shorter than my actual hair, but I thought it would actually work well because the curls are supposed to be very tight, so I left a little bit out to make them look better, but we'll see how it works. In my head it's supposed to look better, but we'll see in the morning. Alright, I look too crazy to keep talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, and I'm gonna wake up in the morning, pull them apart, and let you see what the craziness looks like. I'm very excited. I'm not excited to sleep on these because they feel uncomfortable, and the idea sounds very uncomfortable, but we'll see. I'll let you know in the morning. And hello again. It's the morning after, so I slept in these all night, and as soon as I woke up I couldn't wait to take them off. They were just way too uncomfortable. So I pulled off most of them, as you can see, and I left some of these just so I can show you how easy they come off. And it's been about 2 hours, I want to say, since I pulled them off, and they kinda uncurled a little bit, so the curls were pretty tight. So once I pull these off, you'll be able to see what they look like. So you can just grab the bottom piece and just literally pull it off, and it comes off very easy. And ta-da! So as you can see, the curls are pretty tight, so that's what my entire head looked like. I looked crazy in the morning, but it's getting better now. Okay. and they're not all perfect. So I'm guessing it's because I maybe twisted them when I pulled them through the curl. Maybe that's why they look a little frizzy. Ooh. And last one. I literally couldn't wait to pull them off in the morning. As soon as I woke up, that was the first thing I did. It was very uncomfortable to sleep. Ooh, look at this. So this is what it's gonna look like once you pull them off. They're very tight curls. This is a good comparison. This is about 2 hours and right away. So I didn't brush them out or anything. I wanted to see how good they would uncurl on their own. And I'm pretty impressed. They're not all perfect. Like you can see this one up here. This was all part of one curl and the curl looks okay, but I don't know where this came from. So I might just go over some of them and just curl them up with a curling wand. Just so. I mean, this is the front piece. I don't want it to look this way. Kind of impressed. These are heatless curls. Like, that's kind of awesome. I don't know if I would go through the whole sleeping in it thing again, because it was very uncomfortable. Like, every time I try to fall asleep or I like turn my head over, there's this whole shebang of these curls, and they're not very flexible. Like, they're pretty stiff, so every time you turn over you like get one in your eye, you get one like poking your ear or something. I don't know. I tossed and turned all night long and I got some sleep, I guess, but don't know if I'll do that again. So I'm gonna go ahead and just brush them out, and I'm gonna put some more curls in it to make it more natural. Oh man. I can't wait for this one to uncurl. I keep like wanting to brush it out in hopes it would loosen the curls quicker. Don't think it's gonna get any better than this at the moment. Alright, it's not working as I wanted it to work. So I'm just gonna throw it back for now and hope for the best. But for now, we're just gonna deal with this. And overall, I think I'm very happy with the result. One complaint I have is the whole sleeping on it. That I wouldn't do again. I might try the whole blow drying combustion that they have. I've seen people do that. I might try that, but I don't think I'll sleep on them again unless I just like wear it from morning to night all day long and just let my hair air dry, because it's just not worth it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Would you try this? Would you go through the whole sleepless night thing? Is it worth it for you? Let me know. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!